initial numbers actually
Yeah.
came from the local social welfare offices. So far, but this is a rough number, it will still increase. 27,000 families unaffected. We're looking at 7 LGUs with Bugo being the hardest one.
What assistance can you give to them?
Well, first the relief, like I mentioned kanina, family food packs, ready-to-eat meals, kitchen, mobile water supply, kasi relief yung immediate. Now for rebuilding, we will always resort to emergency cash transfers. Cash to na binibigay sa mga pamilya so they can prioritize what they want to prioritize, whether it's rebuilding their homes, rebuilding their livelihood, ready na rin yun. We're just waiting for the clean list from the governor.
Magkano yung...
I don't want to give you the number now because we have to look at the damage kasi this is going to be case to case.
Yeah.
It depends on the severity of the damage. Our social workers will have to assess.
So may evaluation pa din. I-assess sila kung gaano.
I-assess sila. Definitely i-assess sila kung how severe is the damage to the property, to the livelihood, to the well-being of the person. Doon tayo mag-base. It's too broad right now to determine how much the amount is. But definitely, may cash transfers.
Your message to the people here in
Sa
Cebu.
ating mga kababayan sa Bugo at sa lahat ng mga pamilyang Cebuano na naapektuhan nitong huling earthquake kagabi, sa utos ng ating Pangulo, ang DSWD ay nandito na handang tumulong sa inyo. Sinisigurado namin na pag kailangan nyo ng pagkain, ng mga immediate relief assistance, nandito kami from ready-to-eat meals to family food packs. We're bringing in our mobile kitchen as well and our mobile water purifier. Ang amin ay immediate needs nyo, matutugunan namin. Later on, when we move to recovery, handa rin ang DSWD with our cash assistance para to help you rebuild and start all over again.
Yeah, we were just examining this mountain. Unfortunately.
And yung mga doctors doon, hindi want to
We have
them.
doctors